What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a quick review of TP-Link Deco X90 Tri-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. So here we go. So first of all, let's just start with the unboxing. We got the 2-unit combo pack of the Deco X90 here. So inside the retail box you will find 2 units of the Deco X90 along with a quick installation guide, 2 power adapters and 1 RJ45 cable as well. Now talking about the design and build quality of Deco X90, it comes with a matte finish body that looks quite beautiful and premium. At the top, we got the glossy finish along with the TP-Link branding. I personally like the merging of the sharp edges and the round curves on the body of Deco X90. On the back side, we got one 2.5 Gbps port along with 1 GB port. At the bottom, we got plenty of ventilation grill, the power point to connect the power adapter, and some pads for lifting the X90 from the surface for better ventilation. One thing I'm missing here is that there is no USB port provided and we got just 2 Ethernet ports on each unit. So if you are buying a single unit of Deco X90, then you will be able to have only one wired connection. So I would personally prefer if there was more Ethernet ports provided and at least USB port as well. We got an LED indicator as well that blinks in different color to show different status of the Deco X90. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, X90 is a quite premium looking and beautiful router for sure. Now talking about the hardware specs and the features, Deco X90 comes with 4 high-gain antennas and 2 smart antennas. It comes with multi-user MIMO protocol along with OFDMA, BSS color and WPA3 protection. Since this is a tri-band mesh Wi-Fi 6 system, the bandwidth gets divided in 3 parts. So on one band of 5 GHz you can get up to 4.8 Gbps speed. On another one of 5 GHz you will get up to 1.2 Gbps, and on 2.4 GHz you will get 574 Mbps. At a time you can connect up to 200 devices to the Deco X90 Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system, but it also depends on what kind of devices you are connecting, and based on that there will be some limitation for sure. Now the one thing that impressed me most about the Deco X90 is that how easy is the setup process of this device, because all you have to do is connect your Deco X90 with your modem using the RJ45 cable, turn on your modem and Deco X90, download the TP-Link Deco application and just follow the on-screen instruction, and within few taps your Deco X90 will be up and running. Now talking about the smartphone application, it comes with lots of features. Under the overview tab you can monitor all of the devices connected with your Deco X90. Under the smart action tabs you will get the option to connect your smart devices and create automation like the smart plugs, lights, etc. Under the home shield, you will find lots of security and privacy related features and options. It allows you to scan your Deco X90 to find any potential threat. Under the parental control, you can create different profile for your family members, assign particular devices to that profile, and then you can apply the restriction controls and the content filters, like you can block individual websites, you can filter the content based on the category, and you can even set the bedtime. And then under the more button you will find some setting options that allows you to configure Wi-Fi, create blacklist to prevent some devices access your internet. You can even optimize the network, update the firmware of the Deco X90, and then we got some advanced setting options for the IPv4 and IPv6, DHCP server, port forwarding, etc. So the app is quite feature rich and easy to use. Deco X90 mesh system supports up to 6,000 square feet of area. So this is quite huge space that you can cover with Deco X90 mesh system. So if you got a large home, Deco X90 mesh system is one of the best options for you to consider. Talking about the performance, Deco X90 is one of the best mesh Wi-Fi 6 system currently available in the market, especially if you're talking about the coverage area and the 5 GHz speed. It comes with AI-driven mesh system that improves its performance based on the various user scenarios, user behavior, and also gives nice suggestion and switches the network from one to another to provide you the best internet experience at your home. Overall, TP-Link Deco X90 is a very solid choice for a mesh system if you are looking to cover a large home in Wi-Fi 6. Deco X90 provide a very strong throughput, very low latency, consistent network strength, and overall great Wi-Fi mesh system experience. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.